Welcome to Raptor Restoration, your trusted experts in residential roofing in Indianapolis. Raptor Restoration specializes in installing, replacing, and repairing metal and asphalt shingle residential roofing systems. Our team is dedicated to providing top-quality roofing services to protect your home and family. We use only the best materials and the latest techniques to ensure your roof stands the test of time. Customer satisfaction is our top priority, and we strive to exceed your expectations. We offer comprehensive roofing inspections to identify any issues and recommend the best solutions. Trust us to deliver exceptional results that enhance the value and beauty of your home. We work efficiently to complete your roofing project on time and within budget. Contact our professionals today to schedule a consultation and discover the difference we can make. Contact us at 317-886-0696. You may also visit our website at raptorrestorationusa.com/services/residential-roofing for more information and to request a free inspection. Let us help you protect your investment with a durable and beautiful new roof. We are your reliable partner for all your residential roofing needs in Indianapolis. Raptor Restoration, restoring your roof, restoring your peace of mind.